Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in your Facebook app. Let's launch the Facebook app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see the profile picture. Then I want you to hit on the top right corner on the gear icon. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to slowly scroll down to the section preferences. In the section preferences, you will see in the middle almost there is a section that is called language and region. When you click on language and region, you will be able to simply select the language that you would like to have your post translated to. You will have the language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook, in other words, the Facebook language. And you will have the languages that you don't want to be offered as a translation, which is kind of weird option, right? If you have a feed on Facebook from languages that you don't speak and you don't want them to be translated, that's gonna be weird in my opinion. Also, you have an option for languages you don't want to be automatically translated. In other words, if you speak a language, right, and if you simply understand the language and the posts on this language, you don't want them to be translated from Facebook. Last option is a feature that lets you post multiple language versions of the status. For example, you can publish the same status and this status could appear in multiple different languages. So you can click individually. As you see over here, and you can change it. Once when you change your default language, every other setting on Facebook that we just went through simply will adjust with itself. For example, if you speak French as original first language, right, and do the French here on your settings, well, every other post that appears on Facebook as a non-French, right, will be either offered with translation or without translation, depends on how you set up your settings. But this is how you change the language on Facebook app. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.